Hi, my name is Olivia Austill, and I work for the Hub as their social media manager these past few weeks. And my day-to-day tasks just included designing the Instagram posts and videos and keeping up to date with the sports news. And some of my favorite posts I made was whenever Gavin and Jace entered the NCAA, and then Zayden Walker whenever he committed to play for Georgia football, and then also the Heisman Trophy contenders, and then Coleman Hawkins when he committed to Kansas State basketball. And then I found this internship listed on LinkedIn and applied there. I spoke to Robert Morris, the founder, and he conducted a phone call interview. And I heard back within a week that he wanted to hire me. The thing I most enjoyed was being very creative with it, having fun with the graphics on Photoshop and the videos. And the three most important things I learned would be stay on top of your work, make a solid connection with your supervisor, and just have fun. The best tip I can ask for the future interns is just have fun in the process. It will fly by so quickly. Where you go?